Hi, course creator Camille, Virginia here, and I just wanted to take a minute or two to talk about my experience with Karen Salmansohn's Profitable Courses course. So I've been following Karen for about 6 years, and I've taken several courses of hers. I've also taken a ton of online business courses and courses of how to make online courses, and I've had online courses myself that I've created in the dating and relationship space for about 7 years now. So I'm kind of a course connoisseur. And Karen has always impressed me with her courses. But when she came out with profitable courses about how to make online courses, I wanted to use her best practices to optimize my own courses that I already had. And I'm so glad that I did. She has completely over-delivered in this course. It's worth 5 times the value that she's charging she's charging for. Don't tell her. But she, after taking dozens of online courses myself about online businesses and courses, she just had a lot of unique information. She incorporated the whole picture into the course. She didn't just talk about sales copy. She didn't just talk about naming products and how to create a good agenda within the course, or how to create content or find your idea. She walked you through the whole process. So if you don't have a course, or if you already have courses like I do, Karen's Profitable Courses is going to be very helpful for you. She walks you through how to have a great website which gets people to your sales page. She talks about how to write engaging sales copy that injects your own personality into it, just like she does in her brand, but it's with your personality. She gives SEO tips to get more organic traffic to not only your website, but your actual sales page. And then she's got inspirational videos and meditations throughout it to keep you engaged and motivated, which is so important, because if you've ever made an online course, you know that it can be very frustrating and it's easy to get stuck. So I am so glad that I took the course. I have reached out to Karen several times. She is so responsive. She's so invested in my success and the success of all her students. I just feel it whenever I get a personal response from her. She has such great insights that I never would have come up with my own in like a billion years. So I'm just eternally grateful for her sharing all of her secrets and all of the successes that she's had over the years in this nice little package of profitable courses. So whether you are just starting out and don't have a course but you want one, or again, like me, you already had online courses but you want to optimize them for best practices, grow your revenue, grow your exposure, I highly recommend Profitable Courses. Thank you, Karen.